Hello everyone, welcome to our programming library. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about while loop in R. The loops are the structures which help to repeat some commands or instructions in program. The syntax for the while loop is given here. So what happens here is when you start a while loop, the R first of all gets into the logical condition here to check if it is true. And if the condition is indeed true, then it executes whatever is inside this curly bracket is the body of the loop. And the loop will continue until the logical condition becomes false. So let's see here some example. So we have a variable x here which has a value 5. So until x is less than 12, each time 1 is added to the variable x and it will be printed out. So let's see what happens when while loop is applied. So you can see here until the value of x is less than 12 or 11, 1 is added each time to the variable x and it will be printed out. But we have to remember one thing: if the logical condition for a while loop is always true, then the loop runs forever. So first, for example, let's see this another example. So the variable y has value 3 here, and while this condition y is less than 10, if we print the variable y, then let's see what happens. Okay, you can see here. It is running infinitely and running forever. And to stop this code, either you can click here the stop button, or you can use the escape tab from your computer. So I'm gonna click here. So the loop is averted now. So that's all about while loop in R. You can also try some while loops in your R Studio. But for me, it's time to say goodbye, and I will see you guys in the next video.